Welcome, the sun beats down on a sprawling kingdom of sand, but today, this sandy world has become a tricky trap. A towering funnel of toys, a maze of deep trenches, and a mischievous windstorm have scattered and stranded a crew of our favorite animal friends. This is the Great Sandbox Escape, farm and safari animals on a fun mission. When their usual homes, ostriches are flightless birds, but they make up for it with their incredible speed and size. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, standing up to 9 feet or 2.7 meters tall. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Ostriches are omnivores. Platypuses live in burrows. They dig in the banks of rivers and streams. These burrows can be up to 30 meters, 100 feet long. Platypus uses its beaver-like tail to store fat reserves and as a rudder for steering while swimming. Platypuses are found in freshwater rivers, lakes, and streams along the eastern coast of Australia. Rabbits belong to a special group called lagomorphs, not rodents. They're closely related to hares and pikas, not mice or rats. Rabbits can run up to 55 kilometers per hour, 35 miles per hour, and jump over 1 meter, 3 feet high. They use quick hops and sharp turns to escape predators. Rabbits live on every continent except White tigers aren't a separate species. They are Bengal tigers with a special color caused by a rare genetic change. White tigers can grow slightly bigger and stronger than regular Bengal tigers. White tigers use their sharp eyesight and stealth to sneak up on prey like deer and wild pigs. White tiger can eat about 40 kilograms, 88 pounds of meat in one meal. Camels are known as the ships of the desert because they travel easily across sand. A camel's hump stores fat, not water. It's used for energy when food is scarce. Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels have special blood cells that allow them to handle dehydration better than most animals. Camels are very social. Owls live almost everywhere, in forests, deserts, mountains, and even cities around the world. Owls are carnivores, feeding mainly on mice, rats, insects, frogs, and small birds. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them excellent depth perception. Owls have super sensitive hearing, allowing them to locate prey hidden under leaves. Cows have best friends and feel stressed when they are separated from them. A cow can smell up to 6 miles, 10 kilometers away, thanks to its strong sense of smell. Cows spend about 10 to 12 hours a day lying down to rest and digest food. A cow's stomach has 4 compartments to help break down tough plants. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka. but now live in many countries around the world. Male peacocks are famous for their brilliant blue and green plumage and long, shimmering tail feathers, called a train. Peacocks are polygamous, meaning one male mates with several females. Peacocks often forage on the ground. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining, and they are classified as vulnerable to extinction. Parrots belong to the Psittacidae family. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward. Parrots are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and sometimes insects. Parrots are among the smartest birds on Earth. Parrots use their voices, Toucans belong to the Ramphastidae family. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans are medium-sized birds, about 18 to 24 inches, 45 to 60 centimeters long, depending on the species. Toucans live in rainforests, usually high up in the tree canopies. And a watchful rooster crowing directions. From the safari, the clever monkey scouts the highest dunes, the tall giraffe serves as a lookout, and the strong elephant is the ultimate bulldozer.